Hi guys, welcome to this live case study of one of our clients' Google Ads accounts and campaigns. They a medium-sized, very successful aluminium window and door company. So let's start with the keyword we use for them: aluminium windows. So there we go. And as you can see, this client is actually at the top here. Just to help you see. So there we go. There's their ad right at the top. You can see the competitors are below. We only work with one client per industry, so we never have multiple clients per industry because we believe it's a conflict of interest. So here you see the ads at the bottom and the ads at the top, and we write our clients right at the top. So we can actually click on their ad to show you the landing page. Just give it a moment. Here we go. So the value proposition. We've got video reviews we do for our clients. We designed this landing page specifically for them. And anyway, let's show you their stats though in the Google console. So you see this client spends a lot of money, it seems, but they get 1,360 clicks. So these are people who've clicked on their ads for the spend, and we started off with this client with a very low amount, but over time it's done so well for them that they've worked with us. They're making such a profit from this ad spend with us that we continue. And we can actually see here, there again, there's one of their ads. You can see it's live. But this is really what I wanted to show you. This is the auction insights. So what this is Google telling us how we are doing in relation to the competitors. And obviously in this instance, the competitors are using other search marketing or SEO companies to run their ads. The blue is your performance. So this is obviously our client's performance, which is obviously the work we do on behalf of our client. And you can see we've shown 87.64% of the time. So that's what the impression share means, is how many times you've shown. And below that, you can see top of the page rate is 85.04%. So we are shown and at the top of the page most of the time. In fact, you can see the closest competitor, Prima Aluminium or Kilt.co.za, all these companies are just miles behind us, because on the one axis we have impression share, and on the other axis we have top of the page rate. And this is a positioning map. So looking at those two metrics, this is where we feature almost in the stratosphere, miles ahead of our competition. You can see there, by Google's own admission, we're shown 87.64% of the time, and at the top of the page, 85.04% of the time. And all of our competitors, they're only shown 34% of the time. They're at the top of the page 53% of the time. So you can see, and the gray dots are competitors that are even further behind us. So if we click on these auction insights, you can actually see again, they put it in a tabular form. There's you, which is us, our clients, 87.64% of the time, and top of the page, 85.04% of the time. And then the runners up, Prima Aluminium, Kilt. There's Mega Doors. I mean, Mega Doors is a national franchise company. They've got outlets everywhere. They're a very big company. And even though our client is a medium-sized company, we allow, through our services, they dominate the search market, completely dominate the search advertising market through our services. So I just wanted to show you that if you need our services, even if you have a limited budget, we can get you to the top. We can really make the whole exercise profitable for you so that you achieve return on investment and you dominate your market space. So our advertising doesn't just promote you, it literally makes profits for your business. So thank you for that live case study, for having a look with me. And we welcome you to contact us on www.brandseedseo.co.za, or the link is in the description of the video too. And we'll do a free consultation, no obligation proposal. We'll do an assessment for you, and we welcome you to contact us. So thank you very much. Have a great day.